to use this. Need to loosen this up so you can get the brake pad warning light in there, wire, and 2 10 mils. It's in the back. Need to remove those. This one. This one appears to be a metal for the brake fluid. So the thing is, you're gonna need to remove these 2 10mm bolts that's holding up this bracket. Alright, to remove this bolt and that bolt, you'll need a 10mm Allen. Okay. Really light. Make sure. There. Piston needs to be pressed. Need to use one of these. Tools, old pads, new pads. There it is. There. All done. Alright, for the rear, all you have to do is, it's a lot easier than the front, and just kind of loosen up this wire here. It's kind of latched in there, so just gonna have to push it out with a flathead screwdriver. And then once you do that, remove these two bolts right here. It's holding the caliper. Now it's a star bit, but since I don't have a star bit that would fit in it, I actually found a an Allen 5/16 that fits directly in there. So, and other than that, just gonna disconnect the wire sensors here for the brake pads, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so here's the brake pad sensor. So just kind of make sure there's this metal ring here that's attached to the sensor, so just make sure that you don't lose that. That's like a clip that'll pretty much hold the sensor in place, so keep that in mind. Alright, all in. Brand new pads.